In this video, we will be walking through how to download and run the LISNR Radius Sample app for Android. Begin by logging into the LISNR portal with your given credentials. This is the homepage of the LISNR portal. To begin, we will navigate to the Help Center tab and click on Developer Resources. This is where the LISNR SDKs for each designated platform reside. Click on your desired platform. In this case, this is the Android SDK section. Here, you will see the different sections for the different LISNR products listed below. In the Radius section, which is the product we'll be using in this video, notice there is both a Download SDK and a Download Sample App button. We will click the Download Sample App button to obtain the Android Studio project that contains the LISNR Radius Sample App. By default, the sample applications already have their respected LISNR SDKs embedded within them. Once you have clicked the Download Sample App button, navigate to your Downloads folder. Here, you can see where the sample that we downloaded is located. The download will be in a zip file, so be sure to extract the files. Once the sample has been extracted, be sure to open the Radius Sample App folder within Android Studio. Now that the Radius Sample App project has finished loading within Android Studio, I'm going to direct you to where the LISNR SDK is located. First, change your directory view from Android to Project Files. Now, let's open up the App and then the Rs folder. This is where the LISNR Radius framework resides within your project. Next, we're going to run the Radius sample application within an emulator. When the Radius sample app is launched for the first time, the application will ask us to input an SDK token. We can create this token from the LISNR portal. First, we must select an application within the LISNR portal in order to enable the App Management tab. Once the application is set, click the App Management tab and navigate to the SDK token section. Here, we can create an SDK token and supply it with the application's corresponding Android Application ID and/or Apple Bundle ID. For the purpose of this demo, we already have an SDK token created with the Android Application ID of the Radius Sample App, which is com.lisnr.radiussampleapp. So all we have to do is copy this token and insert it into our sample application. Now we can paste our SDK token that we copied into the sample app. Hit save, and we are ready to run the Radius sample app.